Do you know the correct answer of question 1? Which state's governor returned the Prohibition of Online Gambling Bill passed by the state cabinet? Option A Kerala, Option B Tamil Nadu, Option C West Bengal, Option D Punjab. Correct answer B Tamil Nadu. Notes: Governor R.N. Ravi returned to the state government the Tamil Nadu Prohibition of Online Gambling and Regulation of Online Games Bill, passed by the Assembly. It was cited that the House did not have legislative competence to frame it. The state cabinet has decided to table the bill again, which intends to ban online gambling in Tamil Nadu. As per Article 200, if a bill is passed by the House a second time, with or without any amendments, and presented to the governor for assent, the governor shall not withhold assent. Do you know the correct answer of question 2? Which country hosted the third session of the National Platform for Disaster Risk Reduction (NPDRR)? Option A Sri Lanka, Option B Nepal, Option C India, Option D USA. Correct answer C India. Notes: India hosted the third session of the National Platform for Disaster Risk Reduction (NPDRR) at New Delhi. Over 1,200 subject experts, practitioners, academicians and delegates deliberated upon various cross-cutting issues on disaster risk reduction based on the 10-point agenda on disaster risk reduction given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Sendai framework. Do you know the correct answer of question 3? The Prevention of Money Laundering Act was recently expanded to include which products? Option A Virtual digital assets, Option B Real estate, Option C Jewelry, Option D electronics. Correct answer of virtual digital assets. Notes: The Prevention of Money Laundering Act, 2002 was enacted by the Indian Parliament to prevent money laundering. The Indian government has expanded the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA) to include transactions involving the exchange, transfer and safekeeping of virtual digital assets. Do you know the correct answer of question 4? Which union ministry implements the Swadesh Darshan 2.0 program? Option A Ministry of Culture, Option B Ministry of Railways, Option C Ministry of Tourism, Option D Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer C Ministry of Tourism. Notes: Swadesh Darshan 2.0 SD 2.0 program is the revamped version of the Swadesh Darshan scheme (SDS). It was launched by the Union Ministry of Tourism to create theme-based tourist circuits across India. As many as 30 cities from 15 states are shortlisted to be developed as sustainable and responsible destinations under the Swadesh Darshan 2.0 program. These include Dwarka and Dholavira in Gujarat, Kolva and Porvorim in Goa and Nalanda and Gaya in Bihar. Do you know the correct answer of question 5? NASA's Curiosity Rover recently captured the crepuscular rays on which planet? Option A Earth, Option B Mars, Option C Jupiter, Option D Venus. Correct answer B Mars. Notes: NASA's Curiosity Rover recently captured the crepuscular rays on Mars for the first time. The rover captured the view when the sun illuminated the cumulus clouds. When the atmosphere contains dry particles like dust and smoke, light from the sun rising or setting can scatter, resulting in the formation of sunbeams known as crepuscular rays. These rays pass through openings in clouds or between objects.